This is another pair from a Blooming Romance bridal earring collection. Just look how gorgeous these gorgeous rose detail earrings are. Stunning pearl flower detail and tiny crystals added for that exquisite sparkle to make you feel confident, elegant, and just ooze grace and femininity on your big day. I absolutely adore these. They are my number one favorite at the moment, and I highly recommend them to any bride who is looking for something different, something a little bit more playful and feminine, and just to accentuate, accelerate, or maybe enhance your bridal look. Add a tiny little uh, piece of a puzzle to your bridal look. If you'd like to see the full collection of Blooming Romance collection earrings, visit My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy and we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. Have a beautiful day.